In this video, let us study how to calculate cumulative frequencies. Now, cumulative frequencies are of two types. One is a less than cumulative frequency and the other is a more than cumulative frequency. So for the given distribution of frequency, let us first study how to calculate a less than cumulative frequency. Now to calculate less than, what you do is you take the first class, that is 10 to 15, and write the cumulative frequency as the frequency itself, that is 15. Now what you do is take 15 and add the next, that is 10, and now the cumulative frequency has become 25. Again repeat, take 25 and add the next, that is 12, and you get 37. Take 37, add 15 and you get 52. Take 52, add the next frequency, that is 13, and you get 65. And finally take 65 and add 10 and you get 75. Now if you take the total of the frequency column, that is 15 plus 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 13 plus 10, the total is 75, and this matches with the last cumulative frequency, that is 75. Now for less than cumulative frequency, the point to remember is start from the top and keep adding and reach the bottom. Now exactly opposite is the next type, and that is more than cumulative frequency. We know that the total of the frequency column is 75. But for more than cumulative frequency, now we start from below the table and keep adding as we go on top. So take the first from the bottom and write it as it is, that is 10. Take 10 and add the frequency, that is 13, and you get 23. Take 23, add the frequency 15, that is equal to 38. Take 38, add the next, that is 12, that comes to 50. Take 50, add the frequency 10, and that is 60. Finally take 60 and add 15, and that comes to 75. And if you see, 75 is our total of the frequency column. So this is how you calculate more than cumulative frequency.